Welcome back, guys. This is an outdoor channel, right? Well, I'm standing outdoors looking for a tornado. I'm gonna turn this camera around and give you guys a look. So you guys can't see it really well, but all those clouds up there are turning that way. All these clouds up here are going that way. And all these all these clouds are going that way. I'm probably not in the smartest place with these big old power lines in the way. We got sirens that are going off. We got fire trucks and police trucks are moving. Those clouds are going this way. Those clouds are going that way. I don't know where y'all are from, but in Iowa, we go outside and look for the tornado. That's what we're doing. Is it my daughter?
There's like the white clouds over there, like sort of circling, and it's close. I looked at it from the front.
There's the neighbors. Hi guys. So I'm gonna stand out here for a minute. Stick around, stay tuned. This might be another video. You don't know. Where's my girls? Oh, I'm not sticking it up in this. I can't stick my drone up in this. I'll never get. There's a siren again. Woo! That's good for the audio. Stay tuned. A smarter person would be inside in their basement. But nobody said I was smart. You get a lot of rotation. That's what we're all out here looking for, is the rotation. We all know what to look for a tornado. And quite frankly, these are not messing around. We're getting the straight lines winds now. It's kind of creepy, actually. Yes, I too take this stuff very seriously. No, I'm not screwing around. I'm actually out here. I grew up on a farm. I grew up on 300 acres in the middle of central Iowa. I do actually know what I'm looking for. Yeah, I know. This really, if you guys don't know what you're looking for when it comes to a storm, don't be messing around with it. Just go to the basement. But I did grow up in the country. I do know what I'm looking for. I have seen these things out on the road as a truck driver. I do have to go take down my flag. I'll be right back. This is to our south. We got these larger clouds are moving off to the east. These top level clouds are moving southwest, which is kind of weird. It's these clouds over here that we're kind of watching right now. The front line of this is nuts. We're gonna start seeing rain here in just a second. Sections like that is what I'm watching for. This is a solid wall right here, but this is where the wall breaks up. It gets real heavy right through. So this is the area that I'm concerned with. This area here, not so much the stuff right on top of us. The stuff on top of us is going to be rain. No, get away from it. It's metal. I'm not grabbing that thing right now. All right. Oh. So we're in for a little fun, but you know what? This is what we do. This is Iowa. This is outdoors. This is what you expect. You got to be careful. Use caution. Know what you're looking for. If you don't know what you're looking for and you get nervous, head to the basement, right, Sierra?
Yep.
So this is gonna be a goofy little video, but you know what? The hell with it. I'm gonna put it out. Stay tuned. If I see anything at all, then I'll let you guys know. I'll bring it back. The rains are here. You guys can't see that. Hang on, let's see if I can get it to focus out outside. You see this coming in sheets. Wow, I love this foam. Sorry for the raindrops, guys, but you're getting an actual idea of what is happening outside right now. You guys are actually seeing more than I am with my own eyes. Look at this. Watch. When you'll see it when it waves across, it'll hit the shed. You can't see it if you look out there, but it picks it up on the camera. It winds over 70 miles an hour. Thunder is absolutely clapping my house. Torrential rains. My shed, my shed, it can't keep up. Drains are plugged. I didn't know about that. We got possible rain, hail coming toward. I got a car outside. I'm gonna lose a sunroof too, but I guess I only got liability insurance too. Ah, that sucks. That thing gets clapped by hail. I'm gonna turn that thing in. They can have it. Woo! Big rain, big hail. Sirens are going off again. Well, this is fun. I'm sure you guys can see the lightning clapping around me. I didn't plan on making another video, but you know what? Why in the heck not? This is always fun. This is pretty serious stuff. The lightning is getting a lot closer. Oh, you guys can see that right there. There's Mr. Ed. Ooh. That's Mr. Ed. Ed Wilson letting us know that it's right on top of us. What do you think, Milo? What do you think, buddy? Milo? What do you think? He's not a happy guy. This ain't a joke. This thing ain't playing around. What is today? It's the 14th of July? Well, if I die on the 14th of July, I guess that'll rhyme and I'll have to put it on my headstone. Just kidding. I suppose I should go check my sump pump. Make sure it's running if it needs to run. Well, this joker is not playing around. Look at this. Well, the gutters can't keep up now. Let's move it as much water as it possibly can, and it's just gushing. It just can't move that water that fast. That's just too much water. Our streets are flooded. Look at across the street of my neighbors. Oh, this is no joke. I was just talking to my wife about how badly we needed rain. I didn't mean like this. It's a good thing I got out and got some fishing in today. Speaking of which, if you guys haven't checked out the new video, go check it out. I'll leave it in the description below. A little gummy worm challenge. I think I came up with the idea, and a few others out there called me out on it. I didn't do it very well. I hope you guys did better than I did. But this is nuts. This is bonkers. Anyway, I hope you guys' day is going better than mine. Didn't catch any fish on gummy worms. I did catch a bass, but now I'm dealing with a river in my street. Both sides. I suppose I better go check my basement. See ya. Rain gauge. Alright, I gotta go out to my shed. I better put my slides on. Yeah. Yeah. Wake up! My yard is just, whoa! Holy buckets! Dude, that's crazy! No, other way! Ah! Holy cow. Woo! Hold on. Oh, my yard is absolutely full. Full. I came out here to see if my pop-up valve is doing what it's supposed to do. It looks like it is. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but it's like right there. It's bubbling up. It's moving a lot of rain. Hold on a second. Woo! Holy cow. All right, so I said bye, but I didn't mean it. I'm in my shop, and that's better. I don't know if this is a good idea or a bad idea, but it was an idea, so I did it. But I came out here so I could see my, I got a pop-up valve that I put in for my drains, or my gutters for the house. They're all tied together in the one line, and they run along the side of the shed, and then they pop up clear out here in my backyard. Oh, right about there. Oh, and that lightning's getting close. But you can see it's doing exactly what I needed it to when I put that in. So that's working. The severe threat is over. It's gone now. I don't have to worry about the tornado. The high winds are gone. Right now it's just horribly torrential rains, like heavy rains. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but that's loud. I put an air conditioner in the other day. Looks like it's not leaking. So that's good to go. I appreciate them for that. So this is way more interesting than what I've dealt with all day long. Hang on. See me? Okay. So now the challenge is I have to get back to the house. So give me just a second. I shouldn't even dry off. I'm just gonna get drenched anyway. So all in all, torrential rains, tornado threat, high winds. Guys, don't mess around with this stuff. I know it seems like I'm goofing around and kind of making light of it. I mean, I've grown up with it. This is central Iowa. This is the way it goes. I mean, everybody deals with it, but we're kind of used to it. So, but stay tuned if anything changes, if it gets any more interesting. I'll cut back in. Okay, I got more interesting. I'm pretty sure my house just got struck by lightning. It's not bad. I mean, everything's grounded, but that was probably the loudest crack of thunder I've heard in years. Growing up on a farm, I'd see this stuff all the time, and it didn't bother me. You know, I kind of laughed and joked earlier about, I grew up on a farm. This is what we deal with. Well, it's not a joke. It doesn't make it okay. You guys need to be careful while you're out there. This is this is a little more interesting. I feel a little more open to talk out here in the shop too. It's raining hard. This is not the conditions you want to be out on a boat. This is not the conditions you want to be out on a bank. This is not the conditions you want to be try fishing in, hunting in. This is, I mean, I was watching the news earlier. There's semi trucks on the interstate that are barely moving. You don't want to be on the road with this stuff. Don't mess with this stuff. It's gross. It's dangerous. So stick. All right. Again, if anything interesting happens, I'll cut back in. See what it looks like out front. They're outside my shop here. My yard is absolutely drenched. It's all the way up to my shop door. Everything is drenched, which is good and bad. I didn't get my grass seed down in certain areas. There's my daughter. I'm gonna shut that door. I'll hang out with you guys for a little bit longer. Humidity is about 60% in here, which is quite a bit. But barometric pressure, 27 inches. So this is going to calm down. I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. This was fun. This is interesting. This is a day of my life. I hope you guys enjoyed for the second time. Wow. Okay, well, that got dicey for a bit. Thanks for watching. See you.